Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. We will go through the day 10 problem from the May LeetCoding challenge. In a town, there are n people labeled from 1 to n. There is a rumor that one of these people is secretly a town judge. If the town judge exists, then we are given three conditions. First, town judge trusts nobody. Second, everybody except for the town judge trusts the town judge. And third is that there is exactly one person that satisfies properties 1 and 2. You are given trust, an array of pairs trust of I, which is equal to a comma b, representing that the person labeled A trusts the person labeled B. If the town judge exists and can be identified, we need to return the label of the town judge, otherwise -1. Let's see some example. In example 1, we have n equal to 4 and we see that 3 trusts no one and is trusted by all. So we return 3. In the second example, we have n equal to 3 and as we can see that each person trusts somebody. The first condition fails and we return -1. Let's see how we can solve it. For the first example, we have n as 4 and trust array. We will initialize two arrays, trusts and trusted by, of length n plus 1. The value trusts of I will store the number of people I have trust in. The value trusted by of I will store the number of people who trust I. We will iterate through the input trust array and update the value in both these arrays. The first value 1, 3 tells us that person 1 trusts the person 3. So we increment the value in trust at index 1 and in trusted by at index 3. Similarly, iterating through the input array, we will update both these arrays. When done, we will get these two final arrays. Now, we will iterate from 1 to n and find an index where trusts array is 0, which means that the person at I does not trust anyone and is trusted by n minus 1, which means that the person at I is trusted by all. If we find an index which satisfies these two conditions, then we return the index. Otherwise, we return -1. In this case, index 3 satisfies both the conditions, and so we will return 3. Now let's take another example. We have n as 3 and a trust array. We will again initialize two arrays, trusts and trusted by, of length n plus 1. We will iterate through the input array and update the values in both the arrays. Finally, we will get these updated arrays. Now, we again iterate through 1 to n and find an index where trust is 0 and trusted by is n minus 1. As we find out that there is no index which satisfies both this condition, we will return -1. Here's the code snippet of the method. Also, check out the link to the Java code in the description below. The time and space complexity of this algorithm is O of n. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Check out my other videos for more interview problems. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. Also, if you want me to make a video on one of your problem statement, do comment.